A lot of us are using ChatGPT, but not many of us are actually enjoying the true potential of ChatGPT, because for you to assess the true potential of ChatGPT, you need to install some certain extensions to your ChatGPT to be able to access the God mode. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 ChatGPT extensions that is going to change the game for you and take your ChatGPT from normal to 100. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. Now, I'm going to be saving the best for the last because it's amazing. It's going to blow your mind. But first, let me quickly show you the AI Prompt Genius. Now, what AI Prompt Genius does to your ChatGPT is that it finds and adds prompt templates to your collections, categorize them, and select them easily right on ChatGPT. So it's going to bring in all the prompts that you're going to be needing, categorize them, and you have access to it on your ChatGPT account. Now, how cool is this? And to install this, all you need to do is to simply type in AI Prompt Genius Google Chrome extensions, and it's going to pop up and you see this here. You go ahead and click on add to Chrome and it's going to add the extension. So voila, the extension has been installed to your Chrome and you can start using it right away. So it's amazing how you can easily install this extension and have access to an archive of prompts that you can use at will whenever you want. And the second one I have for you is Perplexity AI Companion. Now, what this does for you is that you can access anything as you browse. Perplexity is like ChatGPT and Google combined. So whenever you're browsing and you want to find out about the particular thing, and Perplexity is going to just break it down for you immediately without you having to go and type it in to Google search again or go over to your ChatGPT and start typing it, to get all the answers there. So go ahead and install this extension and thank me later. And of course, you're going to use the same procedure that we used in installing the previous one. It's just about the same thing. And that brings us to the next one, which is ChatPDF. Now, what ChatPDF does for you is that it gives you the opportunity to chat with your PDF. So let's say you are in school or you're trying to read a book or you're trying to read something that has, a large volume. You can actually use the ChatPDF to make the PDF come to life, and you can ask the PDF any question that is inside of that PDF and it's going to output the answer for you. How incredible is this? Now, you can use it for revision, you can use it to learn, you can use it to memorize, you can use it to do a lot of things, depending on what you want to use it for, but it can come in very, very handy. And if we go through their overview here, you can see the ultimate chat PDF extension that allows you to chat with any PDF using AI. Ask questions, get summaries, find anything you need. So you can quickly summarize an entire PDF, in just little lines, and then with those lines, you can ask it for more information. So this helps you learn faster without having to read hundreds of pages. So with this, you can read a lot of books and get a lot of knowledge. And that brings us to the next one, which is ChatGPT AI Anywhere Online. Now, with this extension, it will help you compose, improve your writing, summarize, explain, fix spelling and grammar, change your tone, translate or reply to any text on any web page with just one click. Now, you can use it to reply your emails, you can use it to, fill up a form, you can use it to come up with anything you can ever think of. Just go ahead and install it and give it a trial, and trust me, you're going to definitely thank me later. And then the next one that I have for you is voice control for ChatGPT. Now, this one is quite explanatory. Sometimes we can get too busy with our hands, or we're just too lazy to type in anything, but of course, we can talk, right? So if you install this voice control, you can actually communicate with ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT whatever you want, and ChatGPT will output that for you. So it's giving you a control to use your voice to control ChatGPT instead of typing it and all that. Sometimes we cannot really, type out our thoughts, but you can have a conversation with ChatGPT using this extension, and it's going to be amazing. And that brings us to the next one, which is similar to the previous one that I just shared with you. This one is Converse with ChatGPT. One of the reasons why I love this one is the ability to communicate with ChatGPT simply by holding your space bar and talking to your system or talking to your computer or your tablet or whatever you're using. And ChatGPT is going to respond, so you have a conversation, but ChatGPT doesn't listen back until you hold your space bar. So it's an amazing extension that if you install, you're going to love it. I'll advise that you install the two of them, this one and the previous one that I shared, and then compare which one that you prefer and know which one to maybe use, or you can use them side by side. I mean, you can't really have enough of these things, can you? And by the way, if you haven't liked this video, please go ahead and like this video so that more people can see it and benefit from it, because the more you like this video, the more people get to see it and the more they get to learn some of these things, and they will be thankful to you. The universe will be thankful to you for sending the video their way. So please go ahead. It's not going to cost you anything. It also serves as an encouragement to me to tell me that you guys are enjoying my video. So that brings us to the next one, which is ChatGPT summary for Chrome. Now, this one summarizes everything. If you're on YouTube, it's going to summarize a YouTube video. You don't even need to watch the video. It's going to summarize the video to the latter and give you all the bullet points. If you want it in bullet points, if you want it to be broken down in one paragraph, if you want it in large paragraphs, it's going to do all that for you. All you have to do is to just install it and start using it. Even if you're reading an article, you don't have to read the entire article. It's going to summarize all those things for you. So go ahead and install it, try it out, and let me know what you think. And that brings us to the next one, which is ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT connects ChatGPT to the internet. You know, the normal ChatGPT that we have, aside from the paid one, doesn't have access to the internet. That is, it doesn't know anything past 2021. So any information that it outputs for you is from 2021 backwards, right? So for you to actually have access to ChatGPT that is connected to the internet and ChatGPT that is going to give you something up to date, then is either you pay for the pro version, right? Or you can install this free tool here, which is ChatGPT. It gives you access to the internet. It connects your ChatGPT to the internet. So anything you want to ask, you can go ahead and ask ChatGPT, and it's going to crawl it on the internet and give you in real time. You can even ask it for the price of a particular stock today, and it's going to give you the accurate price of that stock. That is the amazing thing about ChatGPT. So it saves you a lot of money from, you know, the subscription that you're going to pay on ChatGPT. So you're going to be using the full potential of ChatGPT for free. And as you can see here, over 1 million people have already installed this extension. So you gotta join them and let me know what you think. And that brings us to the next one, which is Compose AI. Now, what this extension does for you is that it auto-completes sentences across different websites. So if you're writing anything, it will complete the sentence for you, so you don't even need to be that smart. You just have to just type in like a few words, and this extension is going to complete the paragraph for you or the sentence for you. It uses ChatGPT technology, so it's amazing. But guess what? The most interesting part of this extension is that it replies to your emails with one click. So you get to reply your mails using just an extension that you downloaded on the internet for free. Now, how cool is this? Let me know if you want me to do a full tutorial on some of these extensions. Let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to do that for you because you're special to me. So I just want to give you the best of content, the best of knowledge, and the best of ways to make money online. And that brings us to the next one, which is my favorite, and that is Superpower ChatGPT. It's amazing how this extension works, because when I found out about this extension, I was mind blown. Like, how can a simple extension do all this work? Now, let me show you the things it does. It will organize your chat with ChatGPT into folders and assign different colors to it. And also, it gives you the ability to search and highlight. You can search through all your previous chats and highlight results for a quick review. So let's say you've been having a series of conversations on your ChatGPT account and you just want to get to those information. Maybe you're searching for a particular thing and you want all the information gathered together. You can simply just use this extension and it's going to search your ChatGPT conversation. For someone like me, I have over over hundreds of chats, right? So I mean, it's going to be tasking and draining going through all those chats one after the other, and you might not even see what you're looking for because you won't actually calm down to start reading them one after the other to know which one is which. But this is going to give you the exact result that you're looking for and even highlight it for you so that you can easily see it. And also it can even pin some important responses or messages within a chat. It can pin it so that whenever you come back to that chat, you're going to see that pinned response or pinned question and you have access to all that. So it's a superpower for ChatGPT. It actually turns your ChatGPT to God mode. And talking about turning ChatGPT to God mode, if you want to learn more about AIs and prompting and everything that is related to AI, then I recommend that you go check out this playlist. I put them together especially for you. So go ahead and check them out and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.